to be lodged in my beak. Would you mind? To be quite a looker. The star. Lights, camera, action. I was trying to suave, ambitious, fit to peak, so delicious. Now I'm fine, I am rude, I'm vicious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all, a TV show, too. I was tall, over 1 foot 2. Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do. So young and vital. A South American Idol. Who said that about me? Have you rotisserie? I'm a feather freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard you. I'm evil, I'll forget cheese for the weevils. I poop on people and I play with seagulls. It was him. I'm invincible. I'm unmincible. I'm unwashable. Unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. All of you are zillion birds. All 18 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you. Shut up. Shut up! It's just me. I will make you ugly. Too.
Hey!
Sweet night, man.
Not cool, man. Scary, but not